Hi there. Welcome to From Dreams to Flames, a comprehensive guide to starting your own candle business. Today, we're going to show you step by step how to turn your passion for candles into a successful business. First, you'll need to determine your niche. What type of candles do you want to specialize in? Is it scented candles, decorative candles, or maybe even customized candles? Once you've decided on your niche, it's time to create a business plan. This will help you define your target audience, set your goals, and establish a pricing strategy. Remember, a well-thought-out plan is essential for long-term success. Next, it's time to choose your suppliers. Look for high-quality materials that will ensure your candles burn evenly and have a long-lasting fragrance. Don't forget to consider eco-friendly and sustainable options to appeal to conscious consumers. Now comes the fun part, designing your candles. Experiment with different molds, colors, and scents to create a unique product that stands out in the market. Don't be afraid to get creative and let your imagination run wild. After you've perfected your candle designs, it's time to start marketing your brand. Utilize social media platforms, create a stunning website, and develop a strong visual identity to attract potential customers. Remember, consistency is key in building brand recognition. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line. You can introduce new candle scents, candle accessories, or even collaborate with other local artisans. The possibilities are endless. Lastly, always prioritize customer satisfaction. Offer excellent customer service, listen to feedback, and constantly improve your products. Happy customers will become repeat buyers and are more likely to recommend your candles to others. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to starting your own candle business. We hope you found this video helpful on your journey to becoming a successful candle entrepreneur. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and inspiration.